All of you guys might already be having a WhatsApp account with your real mobile number, but there are many instances when you want to chat with someone without revealing your real number. In such a situation, this is what you can do. Then keep watching this video. Hey guys, my name is Surya. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get WhatsApp without revealing your real number. But before we get started, if you already click on that red subscribe button and see how it magically turns red to grey. So the setup is pretty easy here. So first of all, download this Text Now app from Google Play Store and open it up. Sign up here. Sign up with your email ID and password and click on create account and choose your phone number. You can change the area code also and tap on the number to copy this number. Go to WhatsApp and click on accept and continue and change the country code as 1 United States. Paste your number and click on next and click on OK and select the call me verification option. You will get the call through the Text Now app. Pick it up, listen to that number, enter it right here. Once you do this, you are done. I have got it. You set up a totally different WhatsApp virtual US number for free. And that's it for this video guys. I hope this video useful. You didn't find this video useful, then click the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.